Here in this video, I am going to demo how we can debug a Node.js program written in VS Code using Chrome debugger. To demo that, I have created a simple JavaScript program and saved in a file named test.js. If you want to run this particular program, you can open a terminal, and here we can type node, name of the file. So we got this output. I'm going to debug this using Chrome. To do that, we have to use a command node inspect brk and name of the file. Now we can see debugger is listening on this particular port. Now open Chrome browser and type chrome://inspect. Now we get a page like this. Here we can see an inspect link. Click on this one. Here we can see our program. If you want to debug the program, we need to set the breakpoint. For example, if you want to see what is actually happening inside this particular program, we need to set a breakpoint somewhere here. Okay. When the logic inside this particular program get executed, the program stops there. So we can see what is actually happening. So here I'm setting a breakpoint here and here. Okay. Now, if I click on this resume script execution, it execute the program till the next breakpoint. If there is no breakpoint, it execute the complete program. If you want to execute the program step by step, we have to use step over or step into or step buttons. There is function keys associated with each of these buttons. You can see in the tooltip. Now I'm going to execute the program line by line. If I click on this step over, it execute that particular line. If you want to execute this particular line, we have to click on this one or this one or this one. Okay. So I will tell you the difference. I'm click on this one, step over. And if I click on step over here, it won't go to this particular function. If you want to see what is actually happening inside this particular function, don't click on this one. If there is any function call in this particular line, if you want to go to that particular function, we have to use this one or this one. Okay, I'm clicking on this one. If you want to come out of a particular function and go back to the function that it called, we have to use this step out. Okay, I'm clicking on step out, so the control goes to here. I'm clicking on that one, so control comes back to here because this particular line got executed. And here we can see the result. While debugging the program, if you want to see the variables and its values, we can see that information here. Okay, and we can also see the call stack. If you want to watch any variables, here we can provide the expression to be evaluated. For example, if I want to see what is the value of a plus b, so we can see that result here, or some expression we want to, even we can execute some statement. So the currently value of result is 30. If you want to modify that, we can see result. So here I have changed the result value to a plus b into 100. Now we can see the value got changed from 30 to 2010. Okay, then that means this watch is very useful if you want to change the expression value and further debug and proceed things. In such cases we can use watch. If you don't want to execute step by step, then we can click on this resume script execution or F8. If you look at the console, we can see the result. Actually, the result was 30. We have modified the result using watch window later. That is why we got this particular result. Okay. Here also we can see the result. Okay. I hope you got some idea about how to debug Node.js program using Chrome debugger. If you find this useful, please subscribe this channel and share with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching this.